Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off read receipts on XDMs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to turn off read receipts on XDMs, formerly known as Twitter, you need to navigate to your X account and go to your settings. Once you're there, go to settings and privacy and tap on privacy and safety. There you can simply scroll down below and find the option called direct messages. So once you have simply found this option called direct messages, you can simply turn the toggle to the left hand side to simply disable the show read receipts. So once you have done this, you can simply turn off the read receipts, and disabling this setting prevents others from seeing when you have read their message, but also stops you from seeing if they have read your message. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.